Here's a quick demo of the example voice application built on the lakehouse. Let's go ahead and start issuing voice commands, and we should start seeing responses come through on Slack. Transactions by churn. And sure enough, we see the response here. So let's ask something else. Get top states for customer calls. Here's the match intent. We can go trigger the action, and we get the response back here for the top states. We can even build machine learning models this way. Build a model to prevent churn using AutoML. And sure enough, we know what kind of model needs to be built for what target, and using what table. This can be hooked up by a simple annotation for the job in the backend. And so this is going to trigger off a new job in the backend. We can confirm that here in the Databricks job CUI, and we can see this job was kicked off in the backend. Right? We'll take a look at what that will look like once it's done. We can also ask for other things, right? So this is completely different from the context in which we used this particular application so far, has been churn, but we can ask different things also, right? This is the reason why an app like this is beneficial compared to a dashboard, right? Get total records on the returns table. So now we can go and ask that, and you can see the response here come through in just a second. We have about 2.8 billion records there, right? On that, we can also continue and ask, get store managers who processed most returns. Submit it, trigger that action, and that should go give us the response back out here on Slack, right? And that's a quick demo, but we'll also see what happens when the AutoML run finishes. We'll get to see the stats on the champion model, and we also link it to all of the other runs as a part of the AutoML run, right? And the possibility for automation here is quite limitless, but then that ends our demo here. Thank you.